Hi, this is Dahee TV Korean Class 101. Welcome to Eps-Topik Lesson 3, into watching and into learning Korean. Let's start! Okay, so here is the direction, guys. Look at the picture below and choose the correct word or sentence. So in Korean, 다음 그림을 보고 맞는 단어나 문장을 고르십시오. So 고르십시오 means you choose. 문장 is sentence. Na here is or. Dano is word. 맞는 is correct. 보고 is look. 그림을, it means picture. Okay? So let's go. So number 21. As you can see here, ito ay isang lapis, right? So pencil. So ano ang pencil sa Korean? That is, let's see. Nakita niyo na po ba yung sagot? So 연필이에요. Okay, it's 연필, number 2. 연필 is pencil. Okay, so anong nakasulat sa number 1? Number 1 is kal. Kal means knife. Okay? Number 3 is 줄자. 줄자 means what? What do you think? Alam niyo na po ba yung 줄자? 줄자 means tape measure. Okay? Tape measure po yan. 줄자. Number 4 is 지우개. 지우개. 지우개 means eraser. Okay? So the answer is number 2. 연필. Okay? 연필 means pencil. Okay? Next. Okay, so ano nakalagay dito? Ano, ito ay isang resibo. Okay, so ano yung resibo sa Korean? So tingnan natin yung number 1. Ang nakalagay is myongham. Myongham, if you can remember, myongham is calling card or business card. Myongham. Okay, next number 2 is 지폐. 지폐. 지폐 means money, like don. Okay? 지폐. Pero yun yung papel na pera, guys. 지폐. Okay? Next, number 3 is 영화표. 영화표. 영화 means movie. Pag may 표 nakalagay, it means movie ticket. Okay? Ticket sa movie. 영화표. Number 4 is 영수증. Okay? So, 영수증, it means receipt. Okay? So, resibo. So, the answer is number 4. 영수증. Okay? Next, let's go to number 23. So, madali lang siya, guys. Ano? Basta sa umpisa ng mga questions is madali lang. But, pag ano, nasa gitna ka na or yung nasa dulo na, pahirap na talaga yung mga questions. Okay, so 23. Ano nakalagay dito sa picture? Ano to? Diba, ano siya? Lalagyan ng damit. So, ano yan sa Korean? So, you can see here, number 1, nakalagay utjang. Okay, so ito na yun. Ito yung sagot. Number 1 is utjang. Ut means damit. Okay, so pag sinabing utjang, it means closet. Okay, closet. So the answer is number 1. Number 2, tingnan din natin yung number 2. Nakalagay dito is 책장. 책장. 책장 is what? 책장. Okay, it's not 책상. 책장 means bookshelf. Okay, so lalagyan ng libro. 책 from the word 책 means book. Okay, so 책장 means bookshelf. And then number 3 is 침대. 침대. 침대 means bed. Kama. Bed. 침대. Number 4 is 책상. Okay, ito yung kanina sinabi ko. It means desk. Okay? 책상 is desk. So the answer for number 23 is what? 옷장. Closet. Number 1. Okay, so next, 24. Mabilis lang. Hanggang 30 lang tayo, guys. Okay, next, 24. Okay, so ano nakalagay dito? Hindi siya masyadong, ano nakalagay yata. Oh, Danminggu, Korea. So, Korea, ano ito? Ito ay isang stamp. Okay, so ano yung stamp sa Korean? Okay, so let's check. Number 1. Nakalagay sa number 1 is upyo. Upyo. Okay, so ito yung sagot guys. Number 1. Upyo means stamp. Okay? So number 2, tingnan din natin, supyo. Supyo. What is supyo? Supyo means check. Check. Okay? So check guys. Check. Next, number 3 is 영수증. Okay, a while ago, 영수증. 영수증 means resibo, receipt. 영수증. It's not resibo. Number 4 is 기차표. Gita is train. Tapos, 기차표, it means what? Train ticket. Okay, a ticket sa train. Train. So, the answer is number 1, upyo, which is stamp. Okay, next. Let's go to number 25. Ang bilis lang, ano? Number 25 is what? Ito ay isang sapatos, guys, right? So, tingnan natin. Number 1 nakalagay is yangmal. Yangmal. Yangmal in English is sock. Okay, sock. Yangmal. Medyas. Okay, medyas. Yangmal is sock or socks. Number 2 is moja. Moja is hat or cap. Okay? Ano yung kalo sa ato sombrero. Okay? Next, number 3 is paji. Paji. So, paji, can you remember? Paji, ito ay isang pantalon. Pants. Okay, paji. So, how about number 4? Number 4 is undongha. Undong means exercise. Tapos, may ha sa sapatos. Okay, so undongha means what? Sports shoes. Okay, so ito yung sagot guys. Yung sports shoes. Okay, so in Korean that is undongha. So the answer is number 4. Okay, let's go to number 26. So as you can see here, ano to siya guys? Lingkuranan, upuan, chair. So in Korean, what is that? So let's go to number 1 first. Number 1 is 책상. So sinabi ko kanina, 책상 means desk. Okay, so it's not. Number 2 is 의자. 의자 means chair. Okay, so the answer is number 2. So number 3 is what? Utjang. Utjang, a while ago, is closet. Talagyan ng damit. So from the word ut, damit. So utjang, no, it's not closet. It's 의자, chair. Number 4 is 침대. So kanina din, 침대 means what? Can you remember? It's bed. Kama. 침대. Okay, so the answer is number 2, 의자. Okay, that's 의자. Next, 27 na po tayo. So, bilis lang. So, ito ay isang sasakyan. So, can you remember ano yung sasakyan sa Korean? So, let's check. Number 1 nakalagay is 자전거. 자전거. 자전거 means bike or bicycle. Okay? Next, number 2 nakalagay is what? 자동차. Okay, so 차. You can also say 차 here. So 차 is car. Pero may iba ding meaning ng 차, yung T. Okay? So pag sinabing 자동차, it means car. Okay, so the answer is number 2. So let's look number 3 also. Number 3 nakalagay is 사진기. 사진, it is photo. Pag sinabing 사진기, it means camera. Camera, 사진기. Okay? Pero sa Korean, guys, ginagamit din nila yung word na camera. Camera 있어요? Do you have camera? Like that. Okay, number 4 is computer. So, same lang siya, no? Pero sa kanila kasi, sa kanila. Sa atin kasi, computer. Computer. So, in Korean, it is computer. Computer. So, it's not computer. So, the answer is number 2, 자동차. Okay, so next, let's go to number 28. So here, nandito yung bike or bicycle. So ano nga ba yun sa Korean? Number 1, nakalagay is bihengi. Can you remember what is bihengi? Bihengi is what? Aeroplano, airplane, plane. So it's not. Number 2 is 자동차. 자동차 is what? Aka, di ba? Lumabas to. 자동차 is car. Okay? Number 3 is 자전거. 자전거 means bike or bicycle. So the answer is number 3. So tingnan din natin yung number 4. Nakalagay is 지하철. 지하철 in English, that is subway. Okay? Subway. 지하철. 지하철. So the answer for number 28 is 자전거, bike, 자전거. Okay, next let's go to number 29. So number 29, ito ay isang wallet, right? So ano yung wallet sa Korean? Let's check. Number 1. Number 1, nakalagay is kabang. It's kabang. Kabang is bag, right? So it's not kabang. Number 2 is 지갑. 지갑. 지갑 is what? It's wallet. Okay, so the answer for number 29 is number 2. 지갑. This one. Okay, wallet. And number 3 is 여권. 여권 is what? 여권. It's passport. Okay, so passport is 여권. So it's not the answer. And number 4 is 수첩. Can you remember what is 수첩? 수첩 means reminder book or pocket book. So the answer for number 29 is 지갑. 지갑 means wallet. Okay, so ito na tayo guys for the last number. Number 30. Okay, so number 30 is what? Ito ay isang what? Subway. So, kanina, kasi lagi kong sinasabi na aka means yung kanina. Okay? So, remember that one? Kanina. Or a while ago. So, a while ago sinabi ko subway. So, can you remember what is subway in Korean? So, let's see number 1. Okay, nakalagay is taxi. Same lang siya sa English, taxi. Okay, so taxi, it's not taxi. Number 2 is bihengi. Bihengi is what? Airplane. So it's not the correct answer. And number 3 is 지하철. Okay, can you remember? 지하철 means subway. So the answer for number 30 is number 3. Okay, and number 4 is 고속버스. Okay, so 고속 means express. Bus means bus. So 고속버스, express bus, not bus guys. So I'm sorry. So the answer is 지하철, subway. Okay, very good. So hanggang dito lang guys, and let's continue our lesson for number 31 sa next video na. Okay? So, by the way, pagsasagot kayo na tip lang, pagsasagot kayo sa exam nyo, dapat talagang full shaded itong sasagutan yung number. Okay? Hindi yung konti lang. Dapat sobrang itim siya. Punuin nyo talaga yung pag-shade ng sagot nyo. Okay? So, that's it guys. So that's all for today. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so annyeong.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share my videos. Until next time.